Okay, we're going to place the low beam. Here's the cover. You need to twist it to remove the cap. Put that aside. Right here we have the light bulb. You can press on these two tabs and pull out the electrical connector. Reinstall the light bulb in reverse order. You need to make sure that this tab right here matches with these three. Twist it to lock it in place. Right here you can see the light bulb is pretty secure. Next, we'll reconnect the electrical connector. Go ahead and reinstall the cap. There's a gasket right here, and you need to make sure that that's still there. Well, otherwise the water will get inside your headlights. Unlock it, and that's it.